morning, good morning. Nandito tayo sa church kasi ang ating baby na Tisay ay hindi pa binyag. So gusto kong mag-inquire sana. Isang taon na hindi pa na binyagan. Kaloko-loko kasi ang sked. What happened? Close?
Yeah. I
Close?
thought there might be a different phone number. I've been ringing that phone number.
There's a person, there's a people inside. I seen on the window.
There's no one there. Has
Alam
it?
mo, nahulog yung mais niya sa
I
kabila.
didn't try the door.
Wala na, madumi na
You want
yan.
to try the door?
Yeah. Parang sarado guys yung church. Pero itatry ni Mr. sa kabilang pintuan kung meron pa. Sabi ko parang may nakita kong tao sa loob eh. Sarado daw. May tao nga guys.
So the
Let's look at the
reason
church.
number's working,
Ha?
the reason the number's not working is they currently don't have a vehicle.
Anong church? So the soonest is January. I'm fine with that. At least I know that she's gonna be
I didn't know
baptized.
whether you'd like the church, but I thought
No, if the church is fine, it doesn't matter. It's not about the church. I don't mind. And it's nice also. So yan. We're going na guys. Ang lamig. Bukas pala ang aking coat. So, January.
parents, won't we?
Yeah.
Who we're going to have.
Not sure, but I said to my best friend in Croatia, I want her to be a godmother. I'm gonna go and quick shopping. Tayong Sainsbury's, guys. Matagal-tagal din tayo hindi napunta. Parang Morrison din sa Sainsbury's.
Nakakalito yung mga...
So what is that church? Christian or Catholic?
Church of England.
Church of
Christian.
England. So if we want to go to church, we can go there.
Yeah.
Is that the nearest?
Yes.
Because sometimes I want to go to church but I don't know where to go. Don't know where. Dito tayo guys sa Sainsbury's. Yan ang kanilang orchids. Yung siya magaganda. Rose. 5 pound. Ang ganda ng vase. Pot. Ang lamig. Nasa Arcos na sila. Pipick upin yung bed cover ng mga bata. Iti ikaw? Hi! Pakindot-kindot. Tayo mag-iikot-ikot guys habang sila ay nag-aantay nung bed cover. Ang dami nilang coat oh. Kaso maninipis. Ay, ito makapal. Ay, lamig. Lamig sa labas. Ganitong coat gusto ko to. Kaso 45. Ang ganda no. Pound ang kanilang mga Christmas decor. Eto mahal, 6 pound. Let's go. What's that? Cinnamon? Mabanga? Isod, paamoy. Kela. Dito galing yan. Parang hindi naman cinnamon, parang kahoy lang. Gaganda oh. Ang Christmas tree. Panabit. Ang cute naman ito. Ha? Pag winter na kailangan yan, ganyan. Ang cute. Kailan? Magkano? 14. Hi! Hindi din naman inaalis. Ang cute-cute naman talaga. Ay! Ay, saying hi. Nakakita si Mr. ng cheese. Look at cheese daw. What is that?
Like any of those.
What is that? Molds?
Blue, yeah. Blue stuff.
Yeah. Tigidig. Yeah. Tigidig. Kalikot mo. Parang 40.90 lang ito. Mahal ng kanilang ni goreng. Sesame oil.
milk's about, Adam.
She wants more milk.
Not yet.
Alis dyan sa muna. Not yet! Not yet!
Otherwise they'll break.
Tayo yung aking, ha? Parcel? Nalobot na ata yung aking mic. Pakisaksak mo nga na dun sa white na charger ng iPhone. We're home, guys. Kaharang kayo. Kainin na natin. I'm so hungry. Where's our dipper? Ang lamig. Cold. Kakanta tayo ng okra. That's already 5 pounds.
Yeah.
Expensive also. But she is, I need it. Mahal ang sandayo.
So where are you going to put this bin?
Here.
Where are you going to put the green one?
Upstairs. Toilet. Downstairs. Hmm? We need to wash this. Michaela's want this. We bought some blueberries for
You
baby.
get me a glass.
Favorito ng ating baby. Ito ang kanyang favorite fruits.
Anything else want to go in the freezer? Just the bread.
This is for Michaela.
I got this so
Take out the
Michaela,
old.
Michaela could try.
Is that real juice?
There isn't any old in the, in the
Oh,
freezer.
really?
That was the last one.
Buksan natin to, guys. Ang bilim. Buksan na natin. Ang bigat. Ang bigat. Ang bigat. So, ito ang favorite ko. Pag napunta tayo doon sa Sainsbury's. Harap. Nice.
Oh. I'm thinking for Michaela.
It's nice. Where's her cup?
Oh, she might like that, yeah.
Tingnan natin ang
Because
juice ng ating
it's got
baby.
that citrusy spiciness to it.
Did you shake it?
Yeah.
Tingnan natin mag start. Oh, you're gonna
I'll put
give
the
it.
garlic in with the sweet potato.
Huh?
So you can put the onions in. The ones here.
Okay.
Want to give it a try?
Tayo ng onion. Sainsbury's. Ito guys ay 1 pound and parang 10 penny. So wala pa siya. Mga 80 pesos. Ano ba? Mga ganun. Ano tayo masyadong binili? Ang sakit ng labi ko. Ito tayo ng grapes. 3 pounds lang siya. Ano pa tayong ating ano? Ito pa yung chips. 89 lang yun. And then tape. Guys, alam niyo ba? Ang mahal ang okra dito. So ito ay 1 pound and 70 penny. Mahal lang. Ito tayo masyadong binili doon kasi meron pa tayong din grocery nung nakaraan. Ito pala, binili tayo ng sweet heart cabbage. Saka itong kale na itong laba. Ano tawag dito? Ito bigat. I think this is not ripe enough yet from Brazil.
No, give it a bit longer.
Yeah.
3-4 days.
But I got the ripe banana too, ready to eat. And ito yung ano, pinili natin na bed cover. Bed sheet, gawin pala. It's nice, maganda pala siya. Habitat. Single. It's nice.
Would you give me a tea bag, Mrs. Wood?
And then 1 pillow. Hugasan, laban muna natin. Ay, maganda siya. Yeah, it's nice. Okay.
Thank you. She's pulling her face when she has a drink.
Oh, really?
But
But she
then
likes it.
She goes, but she still wants it.
But she still wants it? Yeah. I want to open the fridge.
No, Mrs. Wood.
Oh, 9. 9 left? Yeah, it's actually less than...
You said 10.
Yeah, no, I said 10 or less than 10. May nanggugulong bata. She's saying hi. Say hi daw, hi. Saying hi? You saying hi to mama in the camera. So, she wants to try the cheese also. Itong cheese na to ay binili natin nung tayo is nag-Tesco. And, what is the flavor? What is the purple?
Wensleydale and cranberry.
Ah, cranberry pala yun. So, yung crackers, ito yun. O, parang yung biscuit. So, ganyan yun. Gusto ng ating baby yung cheese. She likes it. Pero ito kasi, po ano siya, medyo maalat. Ang flavor niya is sea salt and black pepper. So, ilagay. Pero good combination. It's nice. So, masarap siya, guys. Compatible din siya sa kanyang crackers na nilagay ni Mr. I'll give you. Like it? Ang sarap. It's nice. Yummy. Mmm. Nice. Mm? Which one you want? This one? Cheese only? You like the cheese? Mmm. Sarap, guys. Yummy. Mmm. 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 Hindi sumipa. Mmm. Nice. Mmm. Sarap. Nice. You like it? Kamukbang body. Mm. Yay! You're clapping your hands.